Building emotional chords, it doesn't have to be hard, and you don't need tools like this to find them. Instead, we're going to learn how to create the perfect chord in just 3 steps. What you'll learn today is how to unlock infinity, why that little kid looks so guilty, and how to make a rock wet. I've put together a free little bundle for you with charts that I cover in this video, a VST to help you build emotional chords from MIDI notes, and a little bonus. Because yeah, I think you're dope and I think we should hang out. All right, let's get into it. I break chords down into 3 parts: the root, the emotion, and the augment. The root is usually what the bass guitar player would play, you know? Something like... It's generally the easiest note to find, so let's start there. We're going to use C for simplicity. Short disclaimer, I'm just showing you how I do it. Can you learn this technique at music school? No. Do music theory snobs hate my theory? Generally, yeah. But yeah, I just want you to make music that touches your fans' hearts. The vibe I'm going for this particular chord is sneaking into the lounge room at 3 a.m. Try not to wake your parents. And you see the Christmas tree with all the presents underneath it. And your little child body is overcome with wonder and the possibilities of the infinite. What could be in those gifts? Our super rich, deep, emotional, childlike Christmas time wonder chord currently sounds like this. It's just one note so far. Yeah, we gotta start somewhere. Bassists, they don't even usually make it past this part. I'll allow it. Once we've established the root, we can start to think about what emotion we want to convey. Human emotions are broken down into 6 basic emotions. We got disgust, we got fear, we got sadness, we got happiness, we got surprise, and we've got anger. By changing their intensity or pairing them with other emotions, we can create all of the remaining human emotions. For instance, surprise, pumped up, becomes wonder. Disgust and surprise becomes my spoiled, entitled vibe, realizing that you haven't even subject. What am I, a freaking joke to you? With that in mind, let's choose an emotion from the chart. If we're looking for wonder, we choose the surprise emotion, and we will pump it up to wonder with an augment, which is coming up next. Let's see what it tastes like. Root, surprise. It's just 2 notes so far. It's kind of basic, but we're getting the idea. It's building. We're going somewhere. Once we have our root and emotion, we can pick out an augment. There are 5 augments that we can choose from: strength, fall, dynamic, fancy, and rise. You can read all the properties of the emotions and the augments yourself on the chart. Just download it below. The augments I'm going to use are strength and dynamic. By adding strength, we turn up the intensity of the emotion. Have a listen to the difference. Root, surprise, now strength, becomes something else. It's as if surprise is stronger. This is how we build up to wonder. Now let's add the dynamic augment. The dynamic augment helps the chord balance. It's not obvious if it's going upward, it's not obvious if it's going downward. For example, if we use the rise augment, the chord tastes like this. Leading up, that's where it wants to go. The fall augment, on the other hand, it leads downward. It's pulling the chord down. It's saying, I'm here, but I want to be here. But the dynamic augment, ooh, it's balanced. Who knows if it wants to go up? Who knows if it wants to go down? We just exposed the possibilities of the infinite. Have a play around and see what you can come up with. If you want to combine emotions, a way that you can do this is through lyrically or melodically singing one emotion and playing another. For example, our basic happy chord, root, happy, strength. If you sing happy things, it makes sense. When you smile at me, oh, But if you sing something angry, then we're adding anger on top of happiness, and it leads to like a psychosis, right? Ooh, I want you to die in every way. I want to wear your face. Right? It's different. Or you can try just adding another emotion if you have enough fingers left. For example, we can have our Christmassy wonder chord. But if we add sadness, oh, I feel guilty. It's like when you're unwrapping the presents really quietly just so you can look inside. We've all done it. You know exactly what I'm talking about. And if it turns out you don't have enough fingers left, why not use the free VST in the Emotion Maker bundle? Download it below. You can dial in chords just like this, right? Just set the dials to surprise, strength, and dynamic. And then all you have to do is play the root. Ta-da! Instant Christmas child wonder with one finger. Watch. So download the Emotion Maker bundle below and write some songs that'll touch your fans' hearts and make your stoic rock of an uncle cry. Look, here's a quick idea about the inception of your uncle's heart fortress using just one finger and the Emotion Maker Lite VST, which is in the bundle. Get it below. I've said it enough. You know what I'm talking about. Check this out. Ready? Christmas is my favorite. To sneak down and look under that tree. I'm going to unwrap the presents to see what Santa brought for me. I'm filled with so much guilt now. I'm gonna build a wall around my worry. No one will ever know my heart. This is my origin story. One finger. Emotion Maker bundle VST. Check it out. Download it below. Don't download my finger. Download the bundle. All right, cool. Peace. I'm out of here.
Chords, here we go.